All right, guys. My husband was cutting some shrubs down and he found these little cuties on the ground. He tried to find the nest but couldn't find it. So I'm gonna have to take care of these little guys until they're old enough to fly. Now, Kenny said that they might be bluebirds because they have blue feathers. I don't know. They're youngins, but they're ready to eat, and I've been feeding them. I'm gonna give you guys an update, a weekly update. My mom used to take care of birds when we were younger. She took care of a robin. He had a broken leg and she made a splint for it and it healed. And then my dad, he used to go hunting with his brother-in-law and uncle. And he brought back a hawk and my mom took care of the hawk. So I am going to try to remember everything she used to do when she was taking care of the little robin. I'm going to show you what I'm feeding them. Oh, they eating crap. I got winter berries. I have some blackberries. And I have some raspberries. So I'm going to look up and see how often I'm supposed to feed them. And I'm taking them in the house so they can keep warm. So, wish me luck, guys. Look at these cuties. Oh, I thank the Lord that they're as big as they are. As you can see, they got their feathers coming in and everything. Come on, guys. See, they hungry. Yes, they did. I gotta feed them. Okay, gonna feed them. All they're doing is eating and crapping. So, but I made a makeshift nest out of an old blue ribbon ice cream container, which is big enough for them. I put them on opposite side so they could have more room, and they ended up going in there together. All right, guys. Like I said, I am going to keep you updated on how these little guys are doing. I think I can take care of them. I know my mom could. So, like I said, I'll give you a weekly update. Wish me luck, guys. You know, after the mama bird sees the human messing around with the babies, they abandon them. I mean, I used to hear spray perfume, a little tiny drop of perfume on each bird and put it back in the nest. But these birds around here, they're pretty smart. I used rubber gloves to handle a couple of babies that fell out of the tree several years ago. And the mama bird was on the roof of the house watching me, and the next day she had kicked both babies out of the nest. And I wanted to whoop her little ass. If you ever heard somebody screaming a bunch of B's and H's, that's exactly what I was calling her. But you know, it's nature. But I'm gonna look after these little guys, and when they get old enough, I'm gonna set them free so they can fly away and make their own home. I don't know if they'll thank me, but me being able to keep them alive is thanks enough for me. All right, guys. Bye for now.